Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be eating cucumber, okay? So guys, today we're eating cucumber and I'm showing you guys how to eat cucumber without stress and in a way you enjoy it without sharing it with anyone. Like, you know, we don't like sharing, the women. I don't like sharing. Nah, I don't. So I hope you can see me. So have you tried it with honey? I don't think so. So you need to try it with honey, guys. It is so sweet. Try it with honey, you will like it. Or try it with honey. My word. This is so sweet. My word. This is what you need. Oh man, this is so enjoying. So enjoying, guys. If you try this with him, man, this is so sweet. Not joking. Some people don't like eating cucumber. Why? It's healthy. As it is inside, so also it is outside. Some people don't eat it. Why? Try with honey. Mamma mia. You know, when it's sweet, the way you make sound on it will make other people want to eat. Honestly, no exaggeration, and it's so sweet. You rub it around with care. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh my god. Oh my word. Mm. Mm. I am full right now. So full, guys. If you want to lose weight, eat this. We need sugar to boost your energy, right? Cucumber reduces weight. Reduces calorie. It is a low calorie food, so you need it. All right. So I'm done now because I've eaten. And I just need something that I can chew or to chew. So I hope you enjoy eating cucumber with me. Try it with honey. Oh my goodness, it's just the best. It is just the best. Mamma mia. It is just the best, guys. What you need in your life. Thank you so much, and please subscribe, share, like, and bye.